guys! Welcome back to my channel. Grabe, ang tagal kong hindi nakapag-vlog. Pero here we are. Papunta kaming Manchester ngayon, guys. Hi! Ate is there. And then the rest of the people are... Ba't hindi ko ma-point doon? Nandoon sila. Hi, ate. So, we're on a trip. Parang field trip to, guys.
Kangkong, galunggong.
Field trip talaga to namin, guys. Family trip ng Su family. And we're so excited kasi after so many months, ngayon lang kami ulit nakapag-trip. Pero, although locally, pero I know it's gonna be fun! Fun! So I'm with them. Vlog ko to, guys. Hi, ma'am. Are you excited?
Parang ano ah.
Guys, we just got here in Piccadilly. Tapos pupunta kaming Greenfield kasi nandun yung restaurant na pupuntahan namin. And I'm excited. Tapos kung ano pa yung gagawin natin today. We'll update you! You can't hear me in my train! Ha? Ay, sige. Sige. Hi guys! Majali naman kayo para sa vlog, guys. Masaya ba kayo?
Pakain ka muna natin para may ambag kami.
Masaya kayo?
Pakain muna.
Mga gutom sila, guys. Pagkasensyahan nyo na. Yeah, so guys, nasa taxi na kami ngayon and we're on our way to Greenfield with them. Dalawang taxi kami actually, guys, kasi yung isa nauna na. We preferred na mag-taxi na lang kaysa mag-train kasi it's much easier. And it's actually, it works out cheaper kahit medyo malayo siya. But kasi yung train tickets din naman medyo... Hi guys!
Hello.
So nasa gitna kami ng nowhere kasi mag-hike kami. So this is the start. We get off at St. Mary's Church, Greenfield. Tapos maglalakad na lang kami and maghahanap kami ng restaurant kung saan kami pupunta. Namin or yung hike, nasa restaurant na kami. Gutom na, guys, kasi hindi pa nagbe-breakfast, so we're gonna have our brunch now. And we're at the restaurant called... Ano yung pangalan ng restaurant na to? The Kingfisher ata, guys, dito sa Greenfield. So, gutom na, hindi pa nga nakakaalis. Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Mag-wave lang tayo.
Hola.
Hi guys.
Gonna be muted.
Hola guys.
Hola, po siya. Annyeong.
Annyeong.
Hungry na sila kahit hindi pa nag-start yung hike namin.
Hungry no hungry.
It's back, guys! Hi, Dan!
Hello.
We miss you.
Ang hindi pa rin bago sa kanya yung pawis niya. Pawis naman.
Andiyan
Andiyan pala yung kotse ni ni Reza.
Guys, tapos namin sa restaurant. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Obviously, food is more important. Ate, we're not vehicle. Oh, you are. Tapos we're walking na. Going to... Ay, ayun yung footpath, oh. Mali, guys, mali. Kaka-start pa lang namin, nawawala na. Grabe ang shiny na ng mga forehead natin, oh. We're lost, guys. We don't know where to go. Tignan na naman, ah. Guys, like we're in the middle of nowhere. Oh, freaky. Oh my gosh, kakatakot. Ayoko. Guys, super nakakatakot dito.
Di ba?
Oh my gosh, yun na mas nakakatakot.
Ay mo, ¿por qué?
No, no English.
¿Qué pasador? ¿Qué pasador?
¿Qué pasador?
Pasador?
Sabi sila, guys. We're lost and we don't know where to go. We're like in the middle of nowhere, guys. This is meant to be the start of the track. But as you can see, there's no signs anywhere. So guys, we're halfway there. Hi. Ang ganda na ng view though. Look at that, guys. Wow. Hi, brothers. Sisters. Ang ganda.
From another mother.
Another one. Super pretty. We're halfway there.
Ay, ito yung mga sasakit yung ano, oh.
Maganda dance.
Mag-vocalize muna tayo, guys. Okay. Me! Me? Met. Renominon. Ronaldo!
Ronaldo!
Yung tatay niya?
Hindi!
Ernaldo?
Subong kita!
Nagbago na. Bilis
Subong
magbago.
kita!
Nagbabago na sila ng name?
Meto!
Ano? Arnulfo?
Hindi! Malapit na dun sa Ronaldo.
Reno meron ulit?
Ray!
Reynaldo. Sabi ko
Yes.
sa'yo. Gina-joke lang talaga kita.
Che!
Kasi alam ko yung mga pangalan na yung sige
Shit.
name it.
Yung mama ni Met.
Mrs. Reno meron. Tita Reno meron.
Meto.
Nanay Smith Met.
Meto.
Mets Nanay. Yoli!
Yes!
Sabi ko sa'yo, joke lang.
Galing. Kami, guys, and look what we found.
The father of all the tupa. The father of all tupa.
Ang laki niya. Ano yan?
Beef? Beef kain na.
Beef yan. Bakit ba yan?
Cow.
No, it's cow. It's too big. Lapitan natin.
And then after a few months, Argentina corn beef.
Argentina corned beef na siya after. Ang laki na, guys! Hi! Mga magising. Ang baho niya lang.
Something. Actually, yun yung umutot ako.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, ang laki niya! Enjoy your sleep.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Landslide. And that's called soil erosion.
Where?
From the word soil and erosion there.
Tapos, how did you know?
I needed someone. How did you know? That's the song of Chicky Pinidi. Chicky Pinidi.
Pinidi. Yun na sila, guys. Ang layo pa namin. We're tired. Pero okay na kasi pababa siya. And the weather is absolutely beautiful, guys.
Kasi may mga physical disturbances like cow
And
and sliding shoes.
sliding shoes. We made it. Well, somehow. Siya yung laging nakikita kasi siya yung kasabay ka. And the others are there. Oh my gosh, ang ganda.
worry, you're still the one.
Yeah.
If you're watching this, if you're listening, You're still the
You're
one.
still the one that...
No, you're still the one.
You're still the
You're
one
still the
that-
Kasi nga may braces.
Baliw. Ha?
Yung may sasakyan ka.
Baliw.
Kasi hindi pa siya tumitingin sa harapan.
Kaya,
Ano ba?
hindi siya tumitingin?
Hindi, yung driver.
Ay, ang ganda guys. We finally made it. Oh, not yet pala.
Hindi pa
Half
pala.
pa lang.
Wow.
That's probably the start of the town. Ang ganda ng view guys.
Pa tayo
Like,
sa
it's worth it. Kamusta?
still worth it.
Pagod? Ang ganda guys. Super. Oh my gosh, nauna na talaga si ate. Andun na si ate, oh. Oh, may coffee pa siya.
Water. You want water?
Hi guys, kamusta naman yung lakad natin? Ang init! Worth it ba?
Oo. So far. Maya-maya nito magre-reklamo.
Finally made it guys. This is the reservoir. Nandun na sila sa baba. So pretty. So guys, nandito kami sa reservoir na. And we're just having a picnic. And everyone's like relaxing and lying down. And I'll show you our view guys. There guys, like literally nandito lang kami naglatag. And then that's our view. So pretty. It's worth the walk. Kahit sobrang pagod guys, but it's worth it. You get to see this. It's very calm and relaxing. So guys, hindi na naman ako nakapag-vlog. Nakakalimutan ko talaga. Ayan natin squid yan. So, galing na kami ng hotel guys. We rested na for a bit. Tapos, dinner time na and we're at Azuma. I don't know kung napanood niyo yung vlog ko about it. I was with Vince and Ita nung nagpunta kami dito the other time. And hi ate. Hi.
Actually, I joy thank you sa libre.
Anong thank you sa libre kayo dyan?
Her channel.
Hindi na namin kaya guys.
Hindi namin kaya guys.
So, lalayo pa.
Hindi na namin kaya. Ang dami pa guys. Pagod naman ako. Ika nga. Pagod kita kumuya. Sige na. Ay ako.
Subuhan mo si ate guys, tapos subuhan niya.
Ay, ikaw. Exchange tayo.
Bilis subuhan extend kayo, para bagong kasal.
Wizard yun. Hindi ako makain ng wizard. Ito kunin mo ito. Ayun.
Yung airplane na yun. Yung airplane na yan. Pinaglalaroan ito.
Sige na ito lang.
At the end of this vlog, may dalawang kaibigan na
Sila
nagkasiraan.
yun eh. At least kayo na ito muna. Sila ko wala ang libre.
So guys, ang dami pa lang kay ate.
Sabihin mo,
Ate
pamay na
Carls,
lang,
what's that?
pamay na lang po, ganun.
Nananawagan po ako sa magulang ko. Kailangan ko na po ng gamot. Masakit na po yung chan ko.
Gago, hindi ko na
Dali, mga guys. Tapos na.
Nahulog ko. Isa pa. Ang after matigas. Magmukbang. Ganun na kami.
Dahil sa uso natin, Chubby Bunny. Pero
Sabi ba niyo?
kawawa kayo ni Dennis dyan pag bumigay yung Chubby Bunny. Tara paraan.
Siya na nga nalalaglag.
Exercise na exercise na.
Hi na ako nakapag-end ng vlog yesterday kasi sobrang pagod na after kumain. Bumalik lang kami ng hotel and then nag-bond a little bit sa hotel room. But today, guys, it's our second day here in Manchester and we're in Trafford Center. Ayun sila, inaantay lang namin yung iba, guys. Si Carrie, inaantay lang namin yung iba. Papunta na din sila. Ano?
Natatakpan ng vlogger?
Yung...
Ang selfish?
Oh, ikaw na.
Okay ka na, okay na. Punta na kami sa Tesla.
So, andito kami sa Trafford Center, guys. We're just waiting for the others. They're on their way na. Here's the Trafford Center.
Eh, sabi ko, ang daming wheelchair niya.